Hi, in the last lessons we created tree maps using Google Data Studio. In these lessons we are going to create area charts. Okay. Area charts are extremely important for certain purposes. These area charts are similar to line charts. Both line and area charts help you visualize the trends of a particular metric over time. Difference between an area chart and an area chart and line chart is that a line chart will simply plot a line in your visuals. But when it comes to an area chart, you will have the line along with that entire region below the line is shaded. Hence the name is area chart. Let us use our Google Data Studio to create area charts. Okay. So we can select a chart, add a chart. Okay. So we have here time series chart. So let us select the first one. Okay, let us click on the page. So the data is now populated. Okay, with some of the like dates are there. Okay, so order dates is selected here. Let us see, check our order dimensions. Order dates are there. So what we will do? Uh, Order dates are there. So what we will do? We'll, because there are so many dates are there, we'll convert these dates into different, the like year and quarters. So let us change it year quarter. So now it will appear. So this, look at the trends, now it is appearing. So this is the trends that we can see when we plot a that area charts basically. Okay, so this is the trends that we are finding here. So what we will see, we will see metric, it has been taken as record count, we will change it to sales. Take for example, we will take the, so now we will find like sales wise, this is the trend of sales like 2011, 2012, 2000, like this is that showing the trends of a particular periods. Okay, so let us use breakdown dimensions. Take for example, we will see the this region wise. Take for example, we want to see there are three region wise trends will we want to see. So let us see. So this is actually, there are three regions: central regions, southern regions and northern regions. There are three different lines or trends are being created quarter wise. Okay. So we can convert this into a area chart. Basically it's a time series chart we have created. Okay, so let us took to the top left, let us copy and paste. So we can, here we can convert this here. Okay. So what we can do, we can select this and we can click here. So we can see there are some of the options here being. So this is an area chart. Let us see. So let us select convert this into an area chart. So what will happen? So this actually, that trend, the space below the trends will be shaded into different colors. So this pink color that represent north, this that green color represents south, and this is blue color represents central region sales it is. So we can see the quarter wise for quarter 2 and 2011, central has not performed anything, and southern something, and north also zero. Similarly when it comes to the like quarter 3 of 2012, this is the performance, we can see one by one. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can also, similar way we can also see this is changed now, this is changed to area chart. So we have created this. So we have created this, you see this is a time series chart. Time series chart we have converted this into an area chart. Similar way, let us see, let us also compare another. We can select and we can copy and paste. Okay, so we can see this, let us view charts, let us go back to charts. So we can also 100% stack chart, it will show as 100%. Okay, so instead of showing as like in this figure, like we are finding here k to 1k 2k 3k, so we will get it as 100%, 100% stack chart. So we can get it. So this is how we can get it. Okay, and depending on our requirement we can use it. Similarly let us see, There is another chart. Let us copy and paste. Let us copy and paste, and we can see also this is a stacked area chart. Stacked area charts. This is called. So let us wait for a few minutes. So basically, this if stacked area charts are very much important in our visuals. It helps us to see data in a neater manner. It also helps us to understand the total amount because everything is stacked on the top of each other. Okay, on the top you can see it is stacked on top of each other. Okay, so this is how we can create one time series chart. Then we can get that we can convert easily to different charts. This is for the lessons. Thank you very much.